In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off active status in Telegram on the PC app, step by step. This is a simple privacy setting, but it's really useful if you want to browse messages without people seeing when you were last online or whether you're active right now. If you value your privacy, this is a quick change that can make a big difference. And before we begin, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram PC app on your computer. Once Telegram is open, look to the top left corner of the app and click the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main menu where you can access all of Telegram's settings. From the menu, click on Settings. This is where Telegram keeps your account preferences, notifications, appearance options, and privacy controls. Inside Settings, look for Privacy and Security and click on it. This section contains the options that control who can see your profile details, activity, and other private information. Now scroll or look through the privacy and security options until you find Last Seen and Online. Click on that setting to open your online status controls. This is the important part because here you decide who can see when you were last active on Telegram and whether you're currently online. To completely turn off your active status, select Nobody. Once you choose Nobody, other people will no longer be able to see your last seen time or online activity. Keep in mind that Telegram may also give you extra privacy options, such as adding exceptions for specific contacts, but if your goal is to hide your active status as much as possible, Nobody is the setting you want. After selecting it, your change should be saved automatically. At this point, you can close the settings and continue using Telegram normally with more privacy. If you ever want to turn your active status back on later, just follow the same steps and choose a different visibility option. And that's it. You've successfully turned off active status in Telegram on the PC app. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful guides, and I'll see you in the next video.